Hello and welcome to my Alberta Art Studio. Today I'm going to be doing another open cup, quite a few different colors that I've used before. I'm going to be using a turquoise base. I've got two different types of purple and a lemon yellow, silver, and it's a blue. Can't remember quite what the title of it is. I'll put it in the description below. This is an 8 by 10 canvas, so it's a little one, and I figured I'd use a little cup to start with it. Enjoy. We'll get started. This is the first time that I've used a base color that wasn't black or white that I recall, but we'll see how this goes. Just got a couple bubbles I just want to contend with a bit. I had to give it a shake. Since my fall, I haven't haven't done any painting, so I figured, well, I'll give it a try. As long as I don't move too fast or cough or do anything like that, I should be fine. Okay, I think I'll start with this purple. These paints are fairly thick, and they probably have a few bubbles because I had to stir them a little bit, but we'll give it a try, see how she goes. I like the way these open cups turn out. And so the only metallic I have is silver this time. Although, and I think it was just the purples and the blues, I did put some of that iridescent paint in from Artist Loft. It's called an iridescent medium. I just remembered that. So you probably can see the paints are really, really thick. And I can't remember why I did that, but hopefully it works out good. So I'm going to try this lemon yellow in there. See how it goes. I might get green, but that's not so bad. If I put it on the silver, maybe it'll make a bit of a barrier. I noticed I don't have my gloves on, so I guess I'll have to be using the wet one for quite a bit of this one. There we go. Starting to get some action underneath the paint there, which is kind of cool. I have all these paintings in here that I have to contend with. Have to varnish and go through them and make sure everything's ready for them. I haven't really done anything with them, and I've just got them sitting here. And I'm running out of space, so I'm going to be dealing with those in the next little while. If you want to come along with the varnishing part of the experience, just let me know in the comments. I been watching a few YouTube videos on it, and I have the varnish. I actually got lots of different kinds of varnish, but Liquitex seems to be the one that most people use that I've seen so far. And I have some of that. So that's going to be one of the next few days because I have to do something with them. I've got some hanging on my walls already that I haven't even varnished yet, but I had to put them somewhere. I'm going to have a very decorative house. Well, it is coming out kind of nice here. Just going to give it a couple turns. Oops, and I popped it over. Well, it is as it is. Sometimes that helps. I think one is a Prism violet and the other is a Dioxazine purple. One's darker than the other. Let's just say that. Maybe cut back on this yellow. It seems to be pretty strong. I'll try it with this right hand. We're already going off the canvas, but I got a little close to the edge. Okay, let's try this one. Just going to put a little bit of base over here. Oh. Just got some big bubbles I want to deal with. So one thing I haven't done is put a cell activator on these. Most of the cells are coming up just naturally. I have no silicone or anything in this. But I don't have any Amsterdam in this either. Well, that's kind of cool, but I think maybe I'll try a little bit of a cell activator just to see if it does anything else. Add a little more interest or something to it. And she's going off that side already. I guess that's just the base that I put on there. I'm just going to throw more silver in here. That could have been a disaster. Not as steady as I usually am. Yeah, put the silver in between the two. moved on me, which is probably what it's supposed to do. Just going to throw a little yellow in to end it. Now, for the test, we'll see how this works out. This is the cell activator. It's got oxide, Amsterdam oxide black in it. And a little bit of Floetrol, American Floetrol, and it is also mixed with water to thin it. Okay, lots of bubbles. Okay, give it a bit of a torch. Little tiny bubbles in it, so well, I've got most of them anyway. Maybe stretching it'll do it. Okay, we'll just grab some of the edges here. Corners. Give it a place to flow off to. There we go. Maybe I better put that over there. Okay. Well, the yellow certainly stands out in this, which is nice. Kind of flashes at you. Just grab a paper towel over here. Oh, it looks nice. Oh, my goodness. No, I like that. I'm just going to add a little more paint to this corner. Maybe a little of the purple. Lots of cells. Not sure if the black did much, but the cell activator, but those could come up later too. Just want to get some of the bubbles out. Oh, it looks very interesting. Lots of different areas in it. Oh, very cool. Well, thank you for joining me. I don't know if this is a short one or not. Time just seems to slip by with me, so I don't know. But thank you for joining me on this experience. And just about everything I do is a bit of a trial, but I'm learning some new techniques, and that's good for me. I'm also in when I'm not on camera, I've been practicing regular painting of landscapes and trees and things like that, because eventually I'd like to be able to do more of that. I'm learning from all different artists on YouTube, some of the things that they do to block in their colors and things like that. I might end up doing abstract, but that's okay too. So I like abstract. So I just thank you for joining me, and I'll try and put out more videos next week, more on a regular basis, probably one or two, until I get back on my feet. But we'll just see how she goes. I have to get back out gardening. The rain that we had here, which was enormous, is going to make everything grow, all the weeds in my garden that I just picked and everything. So God bless to you and your families, and take care of yourselves. Have a good rest of the week. This is a Thursday that I'm recording this. This video will be out tomorrow on Friday. So I think today is the 6th. Can't be sure, but it's around there anyway. So bye-bye for now, and take care.